Hey guys, I'm awake and oh my gosh, that is one of the scariest things I've ever seen and I don't know where this came from. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What? Josh? Oh. Okay, I still need to brush my hair. Where's my brush? And I can't find my brush, obviously. I had to brush my hair yesterday, right? I want to try and scare Josh with this.
I was wondering why the camera was there.
He didn't get scared at all. He was just like nonchalantly turns around and looks at me.
Good try.
How did you not see me? If I hadn't said anything, you wouldn't have seen me. Oh, where's my glasses? Alright, now we're all in the car. CharlieSky's here. Do you have on glasses? You're so cute. And we're going to pick up Ashley and Kinley because we're gonna go to IKEA because none of us have ever been to an IKEA. Huh? Yep, CharlieSkyy fell down the steps of our porch as we were leaving and Josh's phone is ringing.
Hello.
I thought that she like busted her face and Josh thought she broke her arm. Actually, for a split second I thought she broke her arm too. Oh, she's fine. She just got one little scrape and a little scared. But yeah, going to get Ashley and Kinley and going to IKEA. So this should be fun. It's probably going to be crazy too because it's a Saturday. So far on our journey, we've picked up Ashley and Kinley.
Is it steak and shake or steak and shake?
Steak and shake.
You picked up Lily too.
Yeah, we picked up Lily. Then Kinley had a meltdown. And then now we're all good. And then we were like, so should we get food in a drive-thru on the way to IKEA or hope that we can get food at IKEA? And we all decided we should go ahead through the drive-thru. Then we argued about where we were gonna go. Chick-fil-A was too busy, so now we're at Steak and Shake.
And I
CharlieSky's saying she won because she said she didn't want Chick-fil-A, and we're not at Chick-fil-A. And it's raining outside, so yeah.
Woo, rain.
I can't see you.
Oh, I'm looking at the steak and shake menu so I know what I'm getting.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Is it comfortable? No. Oh.
I would love to do CharlieSkyy like this.
I know, that is so cool. I love this kind of book beds. Well, it's not really bunk beds when it's no bed underneath.
It's not bad.
Is there a bed on the wall? Huh. My mouth is turning blue. Cool. Did you find a new bed? No. What are you doing? Whoa.
Maybe not.
Swedish candy. Wiener Linzer. I'm probably butchering this. Skull Critor. No, I don't know how to speak this language at all. Cernical Apple Jord Gub. What are you getting? I don't know. But it looks fun. What are these?
A fizzy roll.
Are those like, wait, oh, licorice rolls, who wants that? Yuck. Okay, we're in home organization and I'm so excited.
Look at these. Mom,
What are these for? Oh yeah.
Mom, is my skin white or yellow?
Does it matter?
Just tell me.
I don't know, it's like a peachy color.
I'll be loud. I'm driving the car somewhere. I'm driving the car. Oh, that's driving.
Do you sleep yet? Don't look into the light.
I'm like so amazed with how cheap it is.
I know. I thought IKEA would be expensive for some reason. So many lights. I got book boxes for my kids. We're not lost in IKEA. We know where we are.
Just have to follow the arrows.
Can't really see, it's
They're
not
so
focusing. Is it just glitter? Glitter in a jar?
They're like little glass to pour in here.
Oh my gosh. And then put your bamboo in.
Is that a real bamboo? It is.
Oh, I'm tempted. Time to check out.
That wasn't so
Isn't
bad.
this a cute rug for my library corner?
Our IKEA trip was successful. It was not that bad. I don't feel like we had to
Use the map.
fight anybody to look at what we wanted to look at. And we found a couple of things that we want.
A couple?
Yeah.
Just a couple?
Maybe like 3 or 4.
Maybe like 30.
And Ashley bought a rug and she bought some book dividers. So yeah, it was successful. Now we gotta make it home and get our New Year's Eve started.